Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making sure your phone OS is known, Android or iPhone, because steps diverge. Once you open a chat in WhatsApp, bring up the keyboard to access its settings. Some keyboards show a gear icon, others require long press on the comma or globe key. If you prefer, exit WhatsApp and open System Settings right arrow language and input Android, or Settings right arrow general right arrow keyboard, iPhone. These initial actions get you straight into the keyboard controls you'll change next. Now turn off autocorrect inside the keyboard settings. On Android with Gboard, go to text correction and switch autocorrection off. Other Android keyboards follow a similar path in their app. On iPhone, open Settings right arrow general right arrow keyboard and toggle autocorrection off. If you use a third-party keyboard like SwiftKey, open its app or settings and disable automatic corrections there. Make sure to save or exit properly. These changes apply immediately to WhatsApp, since the app uses the system, or finish by testing within WhatsApp. Type words that were previously autocorrected to confirm behavior changed. If autocorrect persists, switch keyboards with the globe or comma key, then switch back. Next, force close WhatsApp or restart the phone to apply settings. Make sure WhatsApp is using the intended keyboard under input selection. If problems continue, reopen the keyboard app settings and verify autocorrection is off, or reinstall the keyboard app as a last resort. That one troubleshooting tip usually resolves stubborn cases.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.